Hello, my name is Nguyen. Today I talk to you about the sound ch and z. China, cherry, cher, chocolate, chilling, cheese, chuck, chairman, kitchen, lunchbox, richer, picture, teacher, fortune, lunch, baseball, ditch, teach, porch, march, pass, rent, ranch, coach, approach, tongue teacher. Chop chop children in the jungle kitchen a vulture. Today Chop will be teaching future champion cook how to make a chocolate shaker. Chop chop children in the jungle kitchen a vulture. Today Chop will be teaching future champion cook how to make a chocolate cheesecake. Chop chop children in the jungle kitchen a vulture. Today Chop will be teaching future champion cook how to make a chocolate cheesecake. Snake, zucht, zoeit, jump, zoek, roerie, Japan, ride, Henrik, Junior, Zeman, generate, Everybody, Nanger, McGeek, subject, egot, direct, reason, Sagetten, Meiji, educate, eat, collide, Octa, stale, res, release, provide, pet, cause, no list. You did a good job. I didn't play very well in the basketball game. Sure you did. You did a good job. But I didn't make any point. That's okay. You did a good job. Our team lost the game. But you did a good job. Well, I won with the team then. Good, because you did a good job. And zip, cheap, zip is zip type of car. Cheap is cheap type of car. Jock, are you joking? Chop, are you choking? Read, a land full of read. Reach, a land full of reach. Cherry, do you like cherry? Cherry, do you like cherry? Leg, I want a leg cheese. Leg, I want a leg cheese. Age, do I write age here? Age, do I write age here? The second, the sound sh and z. She, sugar, sure, soda, sheep, shirt, shoe, shape, Chicago, sheep, sheep, lesson, motion, mission, machine, fishing, insure, sponsor, reputation, official, sunshine, ocean, teacher, action, subtraction, rules, these, established, splash, Irish, press, you are so special. Why did you buy me flower? Because you are so special. Why did you buy me candy? Because you are so special. Why did you make me a cake? Because you are so special. Well, I have something to tell you. What? You are so special too. Snack. Vision. Visual. Conclusion. Asian. Version. Division. Casual. Television. Bees. Mercies. Prestige. Listen and repeat. Thank you. My pleasure. What's on television? What's our design? Is it a special outside? I usually wear casual clothes. I usually wear casual clothes. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.